In today's video, we are going to show you some simple ways to make Mozilla Firefox run faster. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that we need to do is to make sure that we are running the latest version of Firefox because updates often include performance improvements and security fixes. Now, to update, all I have to do is go to the top right corner and click the three horizontal lines and scroll down to Help. Here, I want you to click the About Firefox, and you want to make sure that it will automatically check for update right here. As you can see, our Firefox is up to date, so we don't have to do anything. But if you see a notification that says you need to update, please click that button. It's super simple, all right? And then you can also go again to the three horizontal lines, go to Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the Firefox updates. Okay? So always check for updates. If you can't see that on the first option, it's checking for updates. Remember, updates often include performance improvements and security fixes like clearing up bugs and a lot more. After that is you want to make sure to clear the cache and cookies. Go to Privacy and the left side area of the navigation. Scroll down until you see the option that says Cookies and Site Data. Clear data and cleaning your cache can also boost speed. And this removes temporary files that can slow your browser. Click the clear button and basically that's it. Now, for example, you have so many tabs. All right. Now, what will happen is this can really drag Firefox down. So if you're not using or don't need all these tabs for now, try closing it. And this will free up some memory. Now, if Firefox is still slow, I want you to go to the top right corner again, go to the Help section, and go to the Troubleshoot mode. Now, this will temporarily disable extensions and custom settings so you can see if an add-on is the culprit. Click the Restart button and click the Refresh Firefox. And basically, these are the steps that should make your Firefox faster and smoother. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.